is set to conduct an artificial rain trial in May as part of its strategy to combat air pollution. The trial will take place in a designated area in Outer Delhi, with the final location to be decided by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation and the IIT Kanpur. Now, Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh had explained that this initiative is part of a broader approach to address pollution using various methods. He noted that before scaling it up, a trial will be held in May when summer is at its peak. The government has also requested comprehensive reports to assess whether the chemicals used in cloud seeding could pose any risks to human health or the environment. Based on these findings, a small-scale test will be carried out and water samples will be analyzed. We're crossing over to my colleague Kritika to bring us more details on this. Kritika, we've discussed artificial rain many times. Now we're finally seeing that it could be reality. A test is slated for May. But one thing that is coming to light is that the chemicals that are going to be used in cloud seeding, they're going to be testing whether or not it could pose any risk to human health or the environment. My question here is, this is something that's been talked about for years. How is there still no clarity on an aspect as important as this?
Well, Aisha, remember the Bharatiya Janata Party has just come into power in the national capital. Before this as well, former Environment Minister of the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Gopal Rai, had written about 4 letters to the central government as well, seeking their sanction for conducting an artificial rain trial. Remember, currently as well, the AQI is in the poor category. It is around 219 as of 10 a.m. today, with, in fact, 2 stations, which is Anand Vihar and Mundka, already in the very poor category, above 300 itself. Given these circumstances, even Gopal Rai had multiple times written to the Union Minister for Environment for his sanction for, in fact, an integrated airshed approach towards dealing with the issue of increasing AQI, specifically when the AQI crosses the severe category in the 400 mark. But now, with the Bharatiya Janata Party back in power, we've seen that this discussion is actually taking shape. Yesterday, senior officials of the civil aviation, as well as Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Home Affairs, MCD, as well as other stakeholders were also in attendance with the meeting that was chaired by Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa. And a pilot project for artificial rain will be carried out in May, is what we are hearing. IIT Kanpur is going to be the official partner for the government here. And as per IIT Kanpur, they've conducted 6 successful tests out of 7 to test their cloud seeding possibilities. But definitely, as you said, the water samples as well as large-scale impacts.
Absolutely. Kritika, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more crucial details in connection with this. Let's hope we see more positive developments as far as the fight against pollution is concerned. But shifting focus now. Flight Lieutenant